Come in here. Look, brother. Come on, brother.
Come on, let's go. Can I carry you?
Come on, dude. Presents. Presents.
Mama.
Oh, it's cold.
It's freezing. Look, brother. What you got? Oh. No, that way.
That way.
Oh, look in here, brother.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, my God.
Oh,
And I got a Polly Pocket house.
you did.
Evan, look. Look, brother, you got presents.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh. Ooh.
Look at this.
Ooh, brother.
Cool.
Oh no.
Oh, gosh, Evan. Say. Go. Go.
Well,
What you got?
This is a harmonica.
Oh. What'd you get, brother?
She said no, it's for me. That's funny. She said this is a harmonica. She said no, it's for me.
I thought you said Monica.
It's called a harmonica.
Oh.
Ooh, brother. What'd you get?
I thought you said this was for Monica. This is for me. Because I had my earrings.
There you go.
How does this work?
What do you think about?
Speed, I am speed.
Oh. What about that, Evan?
Ka-chow, ka-pow.
That was odd.
Ka-chow, ka-pow.
Look at that.
Watch, brother. Whoa. What's that? You doing? Put your car on the track.
Very good.
There you go. No.
I got a harmonica.
There. You do it. Whoa. 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 Cool, huh?
You sure you don't want to go back to bed?